Recognizing the difference between healthy and unhealthy streams is essential to protecting our local waterways. Healthy stream banks are full of life and covered in vegetation that help prevent erosion and filter out pollutants. Meanwhile, unhealthy stream banks may be bare and eroded, leading to poor water quality, loss of wildlife habitat, and posing a greater threat of flooding to your property and home. Here are some tips to restore our streams. Instead of mowing your lawn right up to the water's edge, leave a buffer and let grasses and other plants grow. This will better stabilize your stream bank. Rather than throwing lawn debris in streams, which causes blockages and nutrient overloads, compost it. Or if your area allows, put it on the curb for yard waste collection. Lastly, replace non-native invasive species with native, water-loving plant species, better adapted for our region instead. With your help, these simple changes will improve the health of our shared streams. And together, we can buffer the banks and save local waters.